Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to find trending sounds on TikTok. So let's start. First of all, tap on TikTok application. After that, just go to now, tap on the bottom, go to the search bar and then here you can search trending sounds. You will see several options at the top of your screen. Tap on sounds. This interface will appear. Click on the first one. Then here all trending sounds will appear. You may send it to anyone through here. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.